I am Google Student Ambassador, and over here with me is Priyanshi Jain, and today we will take our interview. So, Priyanshi, have you started building something, a startup or a side project, and anything you are trying to run into something real? So, is it that possible? So, what are you building, and where are you right now with it?
Firstly, thank you so much, Ambika, for this great opportunity. And my name is Priyanshi Jain. Yes, for your question, I'm trying to building a startup and I'm working on it. Basically, it's a AI startup.
Okay, that sounds interesting. So, what's the one part of running your student venture that eats up the most of the time?
I feel it's about making it, more clearer day by day because it's about our end customer should feel very satisfied, and because a student, so they should be very clear that what are they getting and why they are getting it.
So, be honest, how are you managing classes and actually building something at the same time?
I feel, Ambika, that when we are passionate about something, especially about AI, so it feels that we cannot spare the time, forcefully. It's just happened with the time and flow.
Okay. So, have you ever used AI to get something done faster, like pitch deck or market research or cold email or something like that?
For everything you said. I mean, AI is a part of our life, I can say, and it's become so easy to do the things. So yeah, I do all the things almost time with AI.
Okay. So, which tool do you reach for first?
I reached first for the Gemini because it can done all the things. It's all rounder.
Ah, that's great news. So, have you tried Gemini for any of this? Like, what happened?
Yeah, I use Gemini for picture generations, for market research, and for ideas, and it's amazing. The quality is superb.
Okay. So, have you used Notebook LM? You said research. So, a lot of founders use it to process research, investor documents, competitor info. And does that sound useful to you?
It sounds so useful to me, and I must say that I have not explored it yet, but I would definitely because it sounds so amazing and useful. So,
Okay,
I
yes. My next question is, what's something you tried to use AI for and it just didn't deliver?
I feel this is an illegal question because AI in today's world cannot. I mean, it's something it can do everything and anything, and I feel that one thing AI can't do is come out of the screen and help us. That's it.
Okay. So, what would make you actually recommend Gemini to someone else in your space?
I feel the quality of its responses, it's superb, it's top notch. I mean the quality it gives to the users, you cannot switch to another one after using this.
Okay, so come to my last question. What one thing you wish Gemini would do for early stage founders or just for surviving college while building something that it doesn't do yet?
I feel that this question, Gemini can do something which it does not do yet is giving the basic answers. I mean, to make them feel happy because ultimately, as I said, its quality is super and its answers are top notch. So anyone who is confused at the starting phase, I mean, they should be very, they should approach it. They should approach Gemini and use it, and definitely you will feel very happy and satisfied.
Okay, with this we come to an end of our interview. Thank you.
Thank you.